Alright, my name is Jesus Martinez.
Hi, my name is George Vasquez.
First, I'm going to show signing in as a test user. We see here that it's signed in as test user 1. We'll go ahead and log out. Then I will sign up as a new user. Here we see it was created on the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And we are logged in as a new user. Go ahead and log out and sign in as admin. Here we are signed in as admin with the admin button.
And then from here, we can see that we can explore recipes. These are recipes already in the database. And you can scroll through them if there was more, but it'll show us who the user is, who they're created by, and the ingredients, and so on. You can now go back. And then we can go to My Recipes, which is still under Works. As you can see, it kind of looks weird, but it does allow you to add a recipe by clicking that button right there. And you can enter the name of your recipe, so like a potato salad. And let's just say for the ingredients, you need 1 potato and 1 salad. Instructions can be put together. Very simple, just for now. And it auto-populates the field for the created by because the created by should be the user that is signed in. And that's why you can see it auto-populate there. And you should be able to just add the recipe now. And as you can see, it's not updated here. There is still some issues with it. And I'm still trying to work on that and tweak it around. But if you go back and go to the Explore recipes, it should be there, and I believe it goes all the way to the bottom. Right there, yes, it's actually sorted, so it's right there. So it does get pushed into our database, and if you go to the table for recipe log table, you see there it's on there, and then they all have unique IDs, so there should be no conflicts whenever adding a recipe. And now we can go back. And there's also the favorite recipes page. It's not fully implemented at all. It just kind of takes you there. I'm planning to make it have very similar implementations as the My Recipes page because it's very similar, and the data table is very, very similar for that as well. From here, we can just go back. We have more options. We can go to the admin page here. And in the admin page, you have 3 options. You can delete accounts, delete recipes, or also view feedback. So if we look at delete accounts, you see all the accounts that are here, and you just need to type in the user ID to delete them. So let's delete the Jesus account that was just made. We want to type in user ID 3 and just delete it, and it gets deleted. And then you can go back. You can also delete recipes, and I'll let Jesus go on from there.
For the delete recipes, it's basically the same concept as the delete users, but we're going through the recipe database. Here you can see that we even have the newly created potato salad and the A ingredient, and as well as the default cereal and PB&J. I'm gonna go ahead and delete the A ingredient. All you have to do is type in the name of the recipe and go ahead and click delete, and there you go. And we can do that again with potato salad. Oh, there you go. It's working, but it's a little delayed. Alright, then we can go back. And for the view feedback, it's not fully implemented. It's still under construction. As you can see here, I left a toast currently under maintenance. And that is it for the admin tools. Here we can go back
And then we
and go ahead.
go into the settings page, which just kind of does a display. It allows you to delete your own account, which isn't implemented yet, but also lets you log out, which is implemented. So if you want to finish the app and just log out, there you go.
And one thing we can show as well is if we sign back in as admin. We can go ahead and force close the app, reopen it. And as you see, we stay logged in as admin1. And then we can go ahead and log out.